Thank you very much. And as you can see, I am going, and it's a very high pleasure for me to present you the program, the PhD program in Aerospace Engineering, for which I act as a coordinator here at Politecnico di Torino. The main scope of our PhD program is to provide you, if you would like to join us, the possibility to become high-level professionals in the wide range of technologies and expertise that is related to aerospace activities. And you can see here in this slide the research topics that are available within this program. These are the research activities that are traditionally related to the aeronautics and space engineering application. And there is a wide range of applications ranging from flight mechanics to fluid dynamics, even for the medicine applications in microgravity conditions, for example, to aircraft structures, to propulsion, and to systems and conceptual design of new trends of the modern aircraft systems. And this wide range of topics is a key aspect of our program. And there is also a strong connection with the aerospace engineering professors community here at Politecnico. They belong to the Department of Mechanical and Aerospace Engineering. And I ask you, if you're interested, to visit the website of our department to discover more. And the research groups working in the field of aerospace engineering in our department, they serve as supervisors for the PhD program. They supervise PhD students. And in this further link, you will be able to find available research topics that these research groups are interested to develop with the help of young people. And so the idea would be, for example, you can look at the specific topics within these 5 main areas. If you're interested in some of them, you can contact directly the key people, the professors that are conducting those activities. Another key aspect of the program is again related to the support that you would have from the department and from the aerospace engineering research groups in terms not only of research experience, but I would also add of the experimental facilities that are available in our department and for our PhD students. Our philosophy is that we would like you to become experts not only in terms of developing ideas, technologies, new methodologies, but also to experimentally validate what you have discovered, what you have investigated during your PhD. And so you can see here some pictures, some simple examples of what you could do in our PhD program, again, ranging from structural systems being investigating from the point of view of the elastic response. You see some stiffened panels here, or also the dynamic analysis of some space systems like CubeSats being subjected to the launch vibrations and environment. We have a wind tunnel where you would be able to perform your aerodynamic loads investigations. And also with the help of some other students, you could also be involved in the development and in the testing of some flying prototypes that would be somehow collecting several possibilities in terms of let's say, testing the structural behavior, the aerodynamic behavior, and flight mechanics performances of the ideas that you have been developing during your PhD fellowship. So an experience that would be not only from the point of view of developing new ideas, but also in terms of testing and verifying what you have invented with the help of a strong and passionate scientific community supporting the PhD program. This is more or less the few messages that I wanted to start with in presenting my program. And again, please visit the website of our program, the available research topics, if you want to start this adventure with us, and write me an email if you want to have more details, or use the Q&A section of this webinar if you want to have more information. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Professor Gerlone, for this interesting presentation. Before we move forward to the next program, I wanted to ask you which professional opportunities can be expected for a PhD in aerospace engineering?
Yeah, okay, thank you. That's very important in terms of perspectives for young people starting this adventure. I can provide a tentative answer by looking at the figures that are related to previous years, like those that are collected here. You see, in our program, 42 people graduated as PhD in between 2018 and 2022. And you can see here a collection of what they are now involved in. Let's say 40% of these people are working in the research world, both at universities and research centers, both in Italy and abroad. You can see here the details of these different experiences going on. Another more or less 40% of the graduated PhD are now working in some aerospace companies, again, in Italy, but also in foreign countries, or maybe consulting companies, but nevertheless related to the aerospace engineering world. And 20% are working in non-aerospace companies. And this, in my opinion, is revealing the twofold mission of our PhD program that, looking at these numbers, I would say is successful. We want to have high-level professionals at the end that are able to perform research activities, but not only in the universities, but also at the working for the aerospace companies that in some cases are co-funding the grants that support the activity of the PhD students.
Thank you very much, Professor. This is very useful information for whoever is thinking about embarking in this adventure, as you well said. So for whoever has questions about this PhD program in aerospace engineering, feel free to leave your questions in the Q&A box. And Professor Gerlone will answer them on the dedicated section at the end of the session. Thank you very much, Professor.